Today, I'm going to teach you how to change ownership of a Squarespace website. This is particularly useful when you're handing over a site to a client, transferring it to a new team member, or reorganizing who manages your web properties. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to squarespace.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're logging in with the account that currently owns the website you want to transfer, as only the owner has the ability to change ownership permissions. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Squarespace dashboard where all your websites are listed. Locate the specific website where you want to change ownership and click on the three dots next to it. This will open a menu with several options. From this menu, click on Permissions. This section is where you manage who has access to your site and what level of control they have. Now, here's an important requirement. Before you can transfer ownership, the person receiving the site must already be a contributor. If they're not yet added to your site, you'll need to invite them first. This ensures that the new owner has an existing connection to the site and understands how it's structured. To invite someone, click on Invite Contributor. A dialog box will appear where you'll need to input their name and email address. Make sure you enter the correct email, as this is where they'll receive the invitation and where the ownership will ultimately be transferred. Next, you'll need to select a role for them from the available options. Squarespace offers different permission levels, but for ownership transfer purposes, you'll want to give them contributor access at minimum. Once you've selected the appropriate role, click Invite. An email will be sent to the person you've invited. At this point, you'll need to wait for them to accept the invitation. They'll receive an email with a link to join your site as a contributor. This step is crucial because Squarespace requires the person to have an active role on the site before ownership can be transferred. Depending on how quickly they check their email, this could take anywhere from a few minutes to a few days. Once they've accepted the invitation and are now listed as a contributor on your site, you're ready to transfer ownership. Click on Transfer Ownership. This is the final step in the process where you'll officially hand over control of the website. A menu will appear with a drop-down option labeled Choose. Click on this drop-down to see a list of all contributors who are eligible to receive ownership. Select the person you want to transfer the site to, then click Continue. Squarespace may ask you to confirm this action since transferring ownership is a significant change that affects billing and administrative control. And that's it. You've successfully transferred ownership of your Squarespace website to another user. They'll now have full control over the site, including billing and all administrative settings. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.